And I'm your host, Annalisa Sarate. This is Cuatro Horas. Now for our latest news. According to PAG-ASA, Tropical Storm Helen now sees great speed and getting stronger. Signal number 2 is now raised on the north part of the Philippines, which is facing the Pacific Ocean. And signal number 2 is now raised to the places near Abra and put in place those places in those along the region. And I'm now declaring classes suspended, but in Abra, not here in Metro Manila.
Now, the latest sports news. The People's Champ, Manny Pacquiao just won in his latest tournament. He won against his opponent, the BBF. Now, live reporting, kaya po siya, this is interviewing Manny Pacquiao.
Now live reporting, Kaya. Wait, you'll hear about the interview about Manny Pacquiao when we return.
Three, two.
Alaska King has been Arjun really has been home road.
Interrupt, man.
Thanks, man! Alaska, man! Yeah! Now we're back to Cuatro Horas. Now the interview on the People's Champ, Manny Pacquiao. Kaya, yes, Annalisa, I'm here with People's Champ, Manny. And I will interview him about his recent winning his match with Mr. WBS. What do you feel about this now that you have won against Mr. Diaz?
Ay, nagmadamit ko rin, ah. Absolutely.
Two of your most adoring fans very blessed with your presence. Please come in.
Alaska, man.
What would you like to say to Mr. Pacquiao? You, sir, what would you like to say to Mr. Pacquiao? I would like to
Me too.
Now, back to Lauren and Annalisa.
Wala na po.
Ang yung sila lang nga.
Jezebel.
Jezebel is now reaching out the highest rating of telenovela category. Now, back to you, Lauren and Annalisa. Now, these are all the latest news for these past 24 hours.
Time for another round of news report.
This is Cuatro Horas in behalf of our roommate, Kaya Pacholas,
I'm Mark Loren Logando.
and I'm Annalisa Sarate. I'm Sheila Escobar. This is proud to be